The Ocean House, the grand dame of Watch Hill, Rhode Island, that's widely considered one of the world's best hotels, is bringing its hit Champagne Garden back this summer. The Secret Garden, a lounge open to both guests and locals, will again feature Veuve Clicquot champagnes like Rich, the newest from the brand, which is designed to be poured over ice, the trendy way to drink it. Veuve Clicquot is also celebrating the 200th anniversary of Madame Clicquot's invention of the first blended rose champagne, so it's only appropriate to celebrate with a toast. Expect fancy versions of summer classics, like artisanal hot dogs, alongside gourmet popcorn and champagne cocktails. The Ocean House team continues to up the ante for guests this summer. Daniel A. Hospitaller, President and Group Managing Director of Ocean House Management, LLC, told TNC exclusively when the venue debuted last summer. Following the completion of our multi-million-dollar guest room renovation, the Secret Garden is a perfect addition to the Watch Hill community for guests to enjoy the art of cocktail culture without ever having to leave the resort. And who knows, you might catch Ocean House neighbor Taylor Swift popping over for a glass of bubbly.